Hello everyone, I'm KJ Harshini from Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangalore. I'm a first year computer science engineering student. Our startup company name is G3S, product present name is Watch, product proposed name is Solaris 2.2. Empathizing stage. So here are some of the requirements and feelings about the product as set by the customers during the empathizing activity. So the first one is more durable and changeable straps, anti-reflective coating, date window and day indicator, and finally solar charging and custom engraving. Define stage. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Watch, futuristic product name is Solaris 2.0. Ideate stage. So here are some of the additional features to be added to the product. Gemstone accents and limited edition variants, GPS tracking, water resistance enhancement, task reminder, additional smartwatch features. In the prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured, but due to time constraint, the mentor advised us to draw a sketch. So this sketch involves the additional features that I spoke about in the previous slide. So finally, I request all the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinions and satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.